Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JotForm in your website. Embedding a JotForm form into your website is a straightforward process, allowing you to collect information seamlessly. You can choose from several embedding options, such as the iframe code, script code, or even the full source code. Each method offers different levels of flexibility and integration, ensuring your form functions perfectly on your site. We will explore these options to help you decide the best fit for your specific needs. The iframe embed method is one of the most popular choices for integrating JotForm forms. It creates a separate browsing context, meaning your form will function independently without interfering with your website styles or scripts. This method is highly recommended for its stability and ease of use. Simply copy the provided iframe code from your JotForm builder and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. Beyond the iframe, JotForm also provides script embed and full source code options. The script embed is excellent for dynamic forms that might change size or content, offering a more responsive integration. For those who require ultimate customization, the source code option allows you to download the form's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This gives you complete control to modify every aspect, though it requires more technical expertise. When embedding your JotForm forms, always prioritize testing. Check how the form appears and functions across various browsers and mobile devices to ensure a consistent user experience. For security, especially when handling sensitive data, always use JotForm's secure HTTPS embed options. This encrypts the data submitted through your form, protecting your users' information. Following these best practices will help you create a professional and secure form integration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.